Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk our ears off. Let's get straight into this unboxing. And this goes back to what I've been saying, man. This month will be full of older pickups, couple new pickups, mainly a lot of older pickups, a whole bunch of sneaker talks, where to cop, how to cop, what's coming out next month, a whole bunch of that stuff. Ooh, which one is these? I don't know what box it is I'm unboxing. Oh, I can't. Is it gonna fall out? Oh man, it's some old heat. Okay. As you can see, the inside GOAT verified, so this is a GOAT pickup. I guess the same dude did this one too, I think. Oh my. I always wanted these, man. And we have Bling, Blau, Bird on the pickup. Oh my, and these came damn near DS. Is these DS? If these not DS, man, they like very near DS, bro. No creasing. Oh, okay, I see a little bit. I see a little tiny bit creasing. But these are the Kilroy 9s, man. Always wanted these, bro. I always wanted these. And the money was looking funny back, but definitely had to double back and get these. Me and my bro Chaz was just talking about getting these joints. I think he said these was one of the ones he wanted to go back and get. Man, and these joints is fire. Oh man, okay, I'm not gonna talk our ears off, man. Let's get into this review on these shoes, man. Them joints is still fire to this day. To this day. But anyways, man, let's get into it. As you can see, man, Kilroy 9s, he got that full 360 look of the shoe all the way around, man. Look at the bottom on them joints, man. Like, these was literally like worn like once or something, man. This is crazy. Oh man, this is crazy. Okay, but as you see, you have on the toe box, you have like that new buck feel, real soft, smooth to the touch, buttery feel too. Still buttery feel on these. As you can see, like a little bit of tiny creasing right here. I don't know if the camera even getting that. It's like a little bit tiny creasing right there, like nothing that pops out or sticks out, nothing major. Real small creasing right there. Toe box still good. Look at that leather on the 9s though. Y'all see that tumbleness? Look at that leather quality on the 9s though. Man, it's crazy, bro. Let me put a shoe tree out. Ugh. What you mean? Pull all that out, man. Standard 9 lacing system. You have like the little gray little plastic aglets right there on the holder. You have the little mesh behind that. You got the little strip on the tongue. You know, it usually says Air Jordan, but on this one it says Johnny Kilroy right there. You know, it usually says Air Jordan right there, but it says Johnny Kilroy right there. And on the back it said Kilroy kicks butt right here on the back, man. Y'all don't know nothing about these Kilroy joints, man. Oh, this some old heat, man. This is some old heat, man. I'm telling you. Like, man, like this is one of the ones that I'm like, man, I don't even rock 9s like that, but I had to go back and get this joint, man. On the back, you have the Air Jordan logo in that globe. This is, you know, the global, worldwide, everywhere. The number 4 right there. This, oh man, you got the all red sock line. You got the like the little satin little sock right there, little, I don't know, like sock like insole or whatever. And on the inside, it says Kilroy kick butt with the Jumpman logo. This still have, this might be DS, bro. These might be DS. You can see it still have the size and tag in the inside where it say size 9 down there. These might be DS. I swear these might be DS. Man, you have like that metallic silver, metallic gray kind of going all the way around, even on the midsole, mud guard area. All that's the same on the bottom. Outsole is all black outsole. You have like a, this like a dark universe, almost like a university red, kind of darker than a university red Jumpman. You have Air Jordan 23 in different languages on the bottom. As you know, this is like the global, worldwide, it's known everywhere type vibe going on. So I don't know all the languages on here, but whole bunch of languages basically saying Air Jordan 23 on all of that. Man, these are so fire, bro. Side panel, you have that same buttery like nubuck that's all around the shoe, man. Man, ain't no stitching or nothing coming out of these joints. These are so fire. So glad I can go back and get these, man. Shout out to all, man. This the only stuff like this is why I like StockX and GOAT and stuff like that, where you can go back and pick up old heat, man. People, oh man, I know bro gonna see this video. He gonna call me after this like, we was just talking about that. Like, man, my peoples be hitting me up once they see videos of old heat, man. Like when I got those 13s, those Flint 13s, my cousin hit me up like, gee, we was just talking about them. Like, I had sneaker conversations, you know, with a lot of people, you feel me? But I know bro gonna call me after he see this video. But man, let me know how y'all feel about this old heat, man. Kilroy 9s, man. The Kilroy 9s. Let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section, man. Did y'all cop these when they came out? These came out right after my high school days, man. Like, it was crazy. Like, I remember seeing my cousin with these on, man. You know, we all was sneakerheads, but we was like hood sneakerheads. We would buy shoes, rock them, beat them down. We either give them away, like something else would come out. We were like, okay, we ain't gonna be wearing that. We'll give them away. Or we'd just throw them away or give them to somebody, you feel me, that was like less fortunate. Like, we was like them type of sneakerheads. But man, couldn't afford these back then. I got them now though. Shout out to Jed, man. My cousin Jed, J-Dub, man. He had these joints and I always wanted these. I'm not gonna lie. I see them on his feet. He used to rock hella outfits with these, man. I seen them, I'm like, I gotta get those. All these years later, these came out in 2012, man. 2012. Let me see this date. Because I know this came out, it was a whole bunch of packs. 411, 12, 7, 25, 12. So yeah, these came out in 2012, man. Right after high school. I graduated in 2011. So right after high school, man. And these joints is still fire, bro. Still fire. Like, crazy, man. If y'all know the history about how this even came about, I will get into that after this real quick. Dope on feet, man. Hope y'all enjoy the on feet. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section, man. Let's get straight into it.
Just touchdown, I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role, cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stunting for the summer, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Step in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Check it, I just picked up a load, through the speed limit or below. Money going in and out the door, we steady going in and out with more. Bad bitches busting on the floor, and go if you ain't like what you here for. Netflix and chill, bitch, no. Chillin' ain't what you come around for. I don't know nothing about basic, but I had my dealers, so I got personal feelings. Niggas gon' hate just to hate, they gon' hate cause I'm gifted, but that's just the hole in their system. I got a nigga that's hand up and got jammed up cause his mama was snitching. You can't confide in nobody, only Lord knows what they can't know about it. Bro, it's like I swear to God, every time I come in this bitch, I just go crazy. And I'm steady going crazy, going crazy, going crazy, bro. It's like I'm fucking their heads up, and they know this, and they can't deny me, G. You know what I'm saying? Low just touched down, I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off-white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role, cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stuntin' for the summer, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Stepped in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Stick 'em up, hit 'em up, tell the white man pick 'em up, he gone. I done at it all night long, I done did like 6 other songs. One of ones, these niggas clones, I can hear the static in his phone. He ain't got a ratchet in his home, but I heard he got that package in his home. That ain't my nigga cause he ain't been acting too right. I heard he been stomping the white, talking to bitches about business that he ain't been handling, like he came up overnight. At it for cash and I know I'ma do what I must, I refuse to go hungry at night. Mama gon' get her a life and I gotta do right cause I know she be worried at night. My little bitch wanna chill with me, but I told her she fucking this song. These niggas trying to get me and my ex is trying to get me, but I never go. Plug steady trying to front a bunch of shit, but he don't know that I'm swiping the low. PMG nigga too solid, swear to God, I don't got our low. Just touched down, I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off-white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stuntin' for the summer, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Stepped in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Made it look so easy, girl, made it look so easy. Had to get it out the mud, nigga, so I went hard with no sleep. Long nights in the rain, nigga, shit slow, but I ain't leaving. Told everybody I was up next, I ain't tripping, they ain't believe me. Fuck the bitch.
Yo, man, so really hope y'all enjoyed the On Feet, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section, man. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm so happy to get these, bro. And like I was saying, these came from like when Michael Jordan first retired. They say he tried to use an alias to sneak back into the league. So they say he created this Johnny Kilroy thing, and his PE number was supposed to be 4, so instead of the 23 back here, they got the number 4 back here. There's a whole bunch of speculations on this.
December 20th, a routine game, Bulls versus Hornets. The only recorded evidence of this game is a fan's home video, the popcorn tape. On this night, an unknown player, Johnny Kilroy, scores 79 points in only 1 quarter of play. Johnny Kilroy, or a cleverly disguised Michael Jordan.
I mean, they even got like rare basketball cards with the Johnny Kilroy stuff on there, man. And I was so hyped and dropped the box that I didn't even show y'all the box. Let me show y'all the box. Now this some OG stuff right here. Look at the box though. Look at the box. The old little wrapping papers with the signatures and stuff on there. But look though. Look at this. This is what I want to show y'all in the box. Look at that. Look at the retail price. $160. Jordans was $160. Oh, Jordans was $160 back then, bro. Look at that. Look at the tag, man. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh my goodness. But man, yeah, man, let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section, man. Did y'all cop when these came out? Do y'all still got these in y'all collection? Are y'all looking for these, man? I know I was personally so happy I can get these in my collection, man. I ain't gonna lie. Let me know how y'all feel about the On Feet. Let me know how y'all feel about the review, even though it was real quick, man. I don't know if y'all seen these in a while, man. But yeah, man, that's it, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, and on feed, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.